Hey guys, it's Kaden back here with another video, and I just wanted to do a fidget spinner spinning test. So the test is gonna be this one, which is metal, and I really like this one, and this one, and we're gonna see which one wins and which one doesn't. So I have my timer right here, so I'm gonna set that up. And yeah, I'm still gonna stay on though. So let me just get this on. There we go. Oh, that's Musically, because I was on Musically. So yeah. Now let me just say clock, because it's on. The clock is basically on the timer. So you look for timer. And yeah. So guys, 1 second. Let me just set it up. We're gonna actually do 2 minutes and wait, not 2 hours. Duh. We're gonna do 2 minutes and we're gonna do 2 minutes and see how it does from there. So I'm gonna place you guys right here. 1 second. Alright, hopefully you guys can see it. But then you can't see. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Let me just get a place where you can see everything. And put this closer since it has a stand. So let me just set everything up. Put this right here. And when we're ready, we'll hit start. So it's right here. We're going to do this one first. Yeah, let's do this one first. So, wait, I have to get oh my god, people. I'm being crazy here. Is there a paper anywhere? Because I need to, say. Hold on, guys, I'm just getting a paper. Let's see. I'll be right back, just let me get a paper. You know what, let me just use this. Okay, so now I need a pen, but well, this is good because they're over here, so that's a good thing. We're actually gonna use, you know what, just use this pen. So I'm gonna time it, and it's gonna be this one first. So ready? So yeah, so spin, start. Okay, let me get ready to write it down and see how it does. I'm getting ready to write it down when it stops. Let's just see how it does. Alright, it's at 1 minute and 30, well I did 2 minutes, so right now it's at 1 minute and 30 seconds. So let's just see how it does. It might even spin longer. I have no idea. Let me just say blue fidget spinner because it's kind of blue. So blue, then the time. Met. I'll just say Emmy, Met, and black. So it's getting ready to stop. So when it does stop, let's just see. So it's basically 2 minutes and wait. All right, so Oh, wait. So that was 2 minutes and like, let's just say 2 minutes. 2 minutes, because it stopped right at 0. So just say 2 min. All right. So let's see. Okay, this is 2 minutes. This one. And we're actually going to do this one at like right here. So we have this black one right here, and we're going to probably do this. Let's hit done. And basically, this one was 2 minutes. So we're going to see how long this one spins. So I'm going to spin it and see how long it goes. So let me spin it. Okay, so it's starting now. So yeah. Let's just see what it goes up to. It is spinning pretty fast. This one, the blue one, was like 2 minutes. So let's just see how this one is. I feel like it's either going to be 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Because I feel like the black one is maybe a little bit better. So like, I think it has a better like advantage of winning. But this one, probably this is the one you guys all been waiting for, so we're gonna do this one after. And yeah, let me just get ready because it doesn't look like it's stopping yet, but I'm still gonna get ready. So it's 1 minute and like 7 seconds. 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1 minute 22, 1 minute 23, 1 minute 24, 1 minute 25, 1 minute 26. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, don't fail on me. We can at least hit maybe 2 minutes, but 2 minutes and 5 seconds at least. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pray, guys, pray. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still. Okay. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Well, I don't know what I'm counting, but 3. Probably it's gonna stop. Come on. Okay, this was 2 minutes and 46 seconds. So black 2 minutes, 2 min, and 46 sec. So, now we're gonna do the middle, probably the one you've been waiting for. So, restart. Here we go. I feel like this is probably gonna win, but I have no idea. So, yeah. Alright. Ready, set, Alright, now it's spinning and we'll see if it wins. And comment down below, before, you know what, never mind. Just comment down below if you really like this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe. I have some subscribers, but not so much. And I promise if I get a lot, I promise I will start uploading more. And like, I just haven't been uploading because like I don't have enough subscribers, and I always feel like they're probably not watching my videos. So like, I just wanna like make sure everyone subscribes, because that'll make my day. And if people subscribe, I will start making more videos, I promise. And it'll just make my day. And if people do subscribe, I'll start making more videos. So please make sure you subscribe, and I will make more videos. And yes, so please make sure you do that, and please like. So I guess, let's see. I can't believe it. The metal ones are supposed to win, but the metal one lost. So yeah, as I was saying, I just want more subscribers, and if I do get more subscribers, I would love to make more videos for you guys. And please, please, please make sure you like this video, because even though I like this video, like I like it myself, but like I really want likes and subscribers. And if all 42 kids is watching this, please subscribe to me, because I am a big, big, big fan of you. And I just really like your videos. And please subscribe if you guys are watching this. And you too, if I'm Gipster is watching this, please subscribe. And if Derv is watching this, please subscribe. So yeah, please subscribe, guys. That'll make my day. So medal was 1 minute and 39 seconds. So yeah, 1 minute and 1 minute and 39 seconds. Sec. Okay, so I guess the meta one was the loser, but out of all of them, the black one won. So give it a thumbs up for the black one. I really wish this one won, but it's still fun to play with. If you do have these, make sure you be careful with any ones like this, because it's just be careful. I don't want you guys to get hurt, and I am also being careful. So I really hope you like this video, and if you do, comment down below, and please, sorry about that, it dropped. Please make sure you subscribe. Please like. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Say yay for the fidget spinners. So yeah, the black one won. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Thank you.